late today, mainly because I've been all over God's green earth collecting more Christmas stuff. I went to Target. I was late because, yeah, hubby was home and I couldn't really justify spending money on Christmas when I already had the basement, half the basement of stuff. So he doesn't quite understand, and I don't expect him to. But today I was by myself, so I went to Hobby Lobby. So I'm gonna show you guys all the clearance stuff that I got from Hobby Lobby, and then we're gonna take down the tree and put away all this Christmas stuff before Rob comes home and loses shit. Okay, so let's show you guys all the Christmas stuff I got from Hobby Lobby. Luckily, something told me to go there because I was waiting, and I was like, maybe they hit 90%. I don't know. I didn't see anywhere that they were down to 90%. So I was like, you know what? Let me just go over there. And sure enough, people were just like, this lady was just like stepping in front of me. And I'm like, you don't see me right here? Like, people lose all their manners when it's cheap stuff. Like, seriously, honey? You gonna be mean because of 79 cents? But I'm gonna show you guys everything I got, and I feel content and I feel whole with what I was able to acquire. Cause you know me, I love a good deal. I love everything cheap. That's just me. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you guys, and then we're gonna take down the beast. So let's turn it on one more time before it comes down. So bittersweet. There you go. So bittersweet. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys what I got there for the kids trees next year, and yeah. Okay, so let me get some lighting up in here. All right, hopefully that didn't make it too worse. Everything is just mixed up with Matt. It's a mess. It's a mess. So, of course, I'm organizing right now. So let me take all of this extra stuff out of here, put them back where they need to be, because I need to organize, like fully organize the basement, or else Rob is going to realize that there's more than what should be down there, because I don't know how he knows. He just knows. So let's just put that there. So of course I told you guys that the boys' room for Christmas next year will be black and white theme. So I found this buffalo check joy sign, and it was $1. It was $1, and I figured I could put it on their wall or on their dresser. And then I didn't get any pillows. I was hoping to get some Raydon pillows, but yeah, good luck with that, Janice. So I was walking past these black and white thing, and I was like, oh my gosh, I could definitely use these as pillow. So I'm gonna open it up and stuff it and put it on their bed, and there go their pillows. So, and then of course I showed you guys this stuff that I hauled for their room yesterday from Walmart. So that's that. So they made out like a little bandit, you know what I mean? And then I got some boxes because yeah, you never can have enough gift boxes. So this was $6.99, and you get 10 counts. So I should have picked up more, but I was like, I don't have the space for it right now until I figure out my storage situation. These were from Walmart, so I showed you guys that already. Then I got these. Why not? So I'm thinking of putting these in the boys' room, the twins' room, you know, when I decorate their room next year. Pretty. Hang some stocking or something off of it on their dresser. So that's the twins. Found this whole holy night wreath. It was $44.99, and I paid $4.99, and I loved it just because of this. Everything else, whatever, not too crazy, but I can always replace these stuff with whatever I want and add whatever color I want up there with the ribbon. So not bad for $5. Jaxson, his theme is going to be, you know, red and green next year, because I want it to be colorful because he's little. And I already had these from the dollar store, so I'm thinking, you know, this would be nice for his room. But I got this one for him, so that's his room. I don't have anything else other than that for Jaxson. So every child will get a tree next year. So keep that in mind when you're looking at this stuff. This is Destiny's ribbon for next year for her tree. And then I got her this one. Not bad, right? And then I got her these. It was there were 6 of them. And one lady picked up, I gave one lady one because she was looking at me like she wanted me to share. This is not, no. This is not I find my stuff and share with you. No, this is buy my stuff and take it all. Okay? Bye, lady. So I gave her one. And then I got 14 of these. I had a ton left over. I might go back and get the rest, because I paid less than $2 for all of that. So that's going to be Miss Destiny's tree. And then I got this from Target. This was the only thing Target had from the 90%. Really sad. But it's my fault because I should have went yesterday. And then I got her these. It has a hint of pink in there. And I love them. I love them. So this is going to be her ornament for Destiny's ornament for her tree next year, combined with some other stuff. Because I'm not all cheap, you know, but I love cheap, if that makes sense. I will buy stuff if I need it. This is Madison's ribbon, and this is white. This is a white ribbon with sparkle in it. It's so pretty. So that's for her tree, and then I got her these. How cute are these for her tree next year? They're unicorns. And I'm thinking of next year to get pink ornaments and decorate her little tree. So she's going to get a tree. They're all going to get a tree in their room, which I think is going to be really pretty. From Target, this is all Target had with that little ornament. Got some hooks because I know I'm going to need a ton of hooks. So I got 400 hooks for next year. Hopefully that's enough. And then I got some gift tags. This is like, what, 200 gift tags or so. This is 50 to 60, so it's more than that. So I just got this one. It just looks like that. So I got 2 of those. And then I got this one because I'm obsessed with the truck, with the tree. I don't know why. Yeah, so let me give you guys a little flip through of what these look like. Oh, if I can manage to do that. So pretty. So pretty. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Merry Christmas. So that's for next year. And then I saw this. Deck the halls. I'm thinking this looks exactly like my Raydon canisters, but I'm thinking of putting this on my tiered tray for next year when I decorate. That is going to be so stinking cute, like seriously. And then I got this big guy because I want the white for the boys and then the red for Jackson, and then I don't know what I'm going to do with the blue because there's no blue here, so I might just, you know, donate them. And then the silver, I don't know where I'm going to put the silver yet. It's going to go somewhere though. And then these rose gold can either go to Baby Madison's tree, or they could go in Lil Missy here, Destiny's tree. Then the boys, of course, they're getting a black tree, so I got them a ton of black ornaments. So it just looks like that. And then I got them the big ones. And these were 79 cents. Originally $7.99. So I got that one. I got a ton. I wish they had more of these because I like that. And then, so that's it. That's everything I got from Hobby Lobby. Yeah, that's it. With hope and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be, but our love is what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about, yeah, we were wild and free, and you know everything about me. So wild and free, and you know everything about me. You know everything. start. I'm gonna get all that stuff down right here and bring it all downstairs to show you guys where I'm gonna store all this stuff in my basement, and then I'll be done. Okay guys, so everything is down. The house is bare. The husband's home, and the kids are running everything downstairs. I won't be able to show you guys my storage tonight because I have to stop and cook dinner, so I won't be able to show you guys that. Probably tomorrow I will show you guys how I organize and store my seasonal decorations in the basement, because I have to go down there and sort that whole mess out. Because I know they just... Okay, grab a tree. Somebody grab one. And Destiny, help your brother with the big midsection.
This one.
Okay, grab one. You both can't take. You're gonna damage my tree. And that's a $600 tree, so be careful, please.
Why would you take the big part?
Because if I take the big.
So someone take one part and the other one take another one. All right, go downstairs. Whoa,
I'll take this down.
that's dangerous. The house. Get that part, Jordan. See what I'm talking about? You're gonna damage my tree. Madison, move.
I'll go in the back.
Did you see the boy hit me in my head with the tree? So I'm gonna go vacuum and then start on dinner. At least get this area, the living room, sorted back out because it's a hot mess. Okay, so I'm done. My vacuum gave out. Like, I had to wash the filter, and it's drying now, so I'm gonna have to finish vacuuming tomorrow. But right now I'm working on dinner. I'm making meatball, a salad. I'm gonna do some vegetable, and I don't know if Rob wants any potato, sweet potato, or brown rice. But for the kids, I'm doing mixed vegetable and a salad for them, because they're eating the same way we're eating. It makes no sense we eat healthy and then have to feed them garbage. So it's a little bit more expensive, but hey, at the end of the day, we have to make sure that they're okay health-wise as well, even though they're kids. So I'm gonna go finish up dinner, and then I think this is it for tonight. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and become a sunshine. And I will catch you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.